purple events. All this is happening at Page Gallery. It's a 2-day exhibition today and tomorrow. कलेक्शन में बहुत सुंदर चनिया चोली ऑप्शंस मिल जाएंगे आपको और you'll also get beautiful jewelry of different types. And if you want to watch more collection, you know what you have to do. You have to swipe left. This is brand Ashi X Shruti. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Look at the beautiful outfits that they're wearing. One is a mirror work outfit and the other one is a beautiful
With pastel color.
Yes, look at that. Yes, ma'am. Can we see your collection, please?
Okay. So we have some collection of shimmer.
Okay.
And then this is mirror work.
Something in mirror work. All right.
Also we have some ombre shades.
Okay. So they have beautiful ombre shades as well. Look at that. Very
some
pretty.
Kachi collection as well.
Lovely. Look at that.
Also we have some more collection
Of pastels.
work and mirror work.
Lovely. Look at that. Wow. Beautiful color options, and again they have a lot of options. Look at that. Very pretty. Something in mirror work. All right. Thank you. This is brand Pinky's collection. उनके पास बहुत सुंदर ब्राइडल वेयर में options हैं along with some fusion as well as some नवरात्रि collection. I'll show you beautiful pieces. Look at that. चोकर में अगर आपको चाहिए तो वो मिल जाएंगे. कड़ा ऑप्शन, समथिंग इन लॉन्ग, ब्यूटिफुल ऑप्शंस फॉर नवरात्रि एज वेल एज फ्यूजन एंड वेडिंग. लुक एट ऑल दोज पीसेस. ब्यूटिफुल. सो अपार्ट फ्रॉम नवरात्रि भी आपको यहाँ पे कलेक्शन मिल जाएगा. लुक एट दैट. You can wear these with shirts, with your saris. Look at all the collection that they have. चोकर में options मिल जाएंगे, tight chokers में मिल जाएंगे, wedding wear में भी they have beautiful options and something in studs as well. Look at that. This is brand Traditional Tales all the way from Rajkot. Hello, beautiful ladies. Okay, please show us your collection.
So starting from the basics, we have this collection with 20 meter flare
Wow.
and with vintage dupatta. All color can be customized in this.
Wow, loving this vintage dupatta look. Beautiful.
You are someone who wanna go all out, this is for you.
Extremely pretty, gorgeous. Wow.
We have 5 colors in this as well.
Okay, beautiful. Again, you can customize as well. Wow.
This is a multicolor banti chaniya.
Wow.
There is 10 meter
Lovely.
with kachi blouse.
Okay.
And this is something that you can wear for Navratri as well as puja and festivals.
Absolutely.
too.
So
It's a
versatile
multicolor
options. Beautiful. Along with dupatta.
Yeah.
This is brand Chapters, and let's have a look at two beautiful ladies. Hello.
Hi.
Yes,
We are
tell us.
sisters.
I'm Simmi.
My name is Palak. And we are doing the collection for the first time.
Okay, lovely.
So please have a look at our collection.
Okay. Yes.
So we have layered chanya. Two layered
Beautiful.
chanyas.
Okay.
Simmi, next. Then we have options in corset.
Lovely.
Climax and pegs.
Okay. Look at that. Very pretty.
Something pink and white.
Okay. Look at that. So the entire collection is a
Bandhana.
mix of culture.
Yes.
Look
A perfect Alia Bhatt look, yes.
Okay, could you twirl and show us the
Yeah, sure.
back of the entire thing as well? Lovely. Okay.
These are the braids.
Wow.
And some more options. Red color.
So they have options as well. Beautiful. This is brand Vinny Malhotra. Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
Yes, ma'am. Tell
So
us.
we have different outfits and I'm showing you all the pairs. You can
Okay.
buy it single pieces as well. And most of our ranges are under 10,000.
Okay.
So let's have a look at this all white.
Okay. Look at that. Beautiful.
We also have a unique combination of grey with maroon.
Beautiful.
So we have handwork border here with the blouse.
Okay.
Next up we have this really traditional Gamti outfit.
Okay.
The Gamti outfit border in a different combination of green, black and red.
Look at that.
Next up we have this mustard chaniya teamed up with a grey blouse. With a
Beautiful.
black dupatta
Look at
with a
that.
really nice one.
Wow. Lovely.
So someone who's looking for a different combination, this is what you should.
Yeah, absolutely. Very pretty.
Next up we have a very lightweight combination.
Beautiful.
So we have a multicolor chaniya teamed up with a white blouse.
Look at that. This is brand Beyond Basic. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Lovely. Look at that. Something different in blouses with beautiful patterns, beautiful color options मिल जाएंगे आपको. Look at that. Along with so many options. Something very vibrant. Look at that. Something in bandhani. Beautiful. White के साथ contrast dupatta. Lovely. Something what ma'am herself is wearing. Beautiful. Okay. They also have some festive wear which are quite unique. So that's a top and a pant. Then they have something in vibrant violet, something in kaftan style. Beautiful. Look at all those pieces. Wow. This is brand Table Toes और उनके पास बहुत ही beautiful जूती के options है, especially in triple sole. तो आपके back में कोई problem नहीं होने वाला है. Along with that, some beautiful options like this with heels as well. Look at that. नवरात्रि collection भी है उनके पास. Beautiful. Along with some more options in heels. Look at that. Very pretty. They also have some beautiful jewelry. These are bracelets. तो वो भी है. Along with some tableware, which is by the way made with vegetable dyes. तो कोई problem नहीं है. There's no chemical. Look at all the options that they have. So for weddings, for outings, beautifully you can pair these with jeans, casuals, Indian wear, all the beautiful trendy collection. This is brand Table Toes. This is brand Label Mira. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. So we have something in this.
Beautiful. Okay.
It's a full khatwak dupatta.
Okay.
We
Lovely.
have more color options,
Okay.
and this can be customized according to your choices, like color and design. Everything can be
Okay.
customized.
Lovely. Look at that. Beautiful.
This
Wow. Something for all the white lovers out there. Beautiful. Lovely. Look at that. Something for black lovers as well. Classic black. Never goes out of fashion. Look at that. Black में combinations भी हैं उनके पास. Lovely. They also have something in men's collection as well. Look at that. So you can twin with your partners, your mothers, your
yeah, so you
sisters.
can do a twinning thing.
Okay. This is brand Beta Girl. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. So we are showcasing our some of the trending arrow ear cuffs, some of the kundan kadas out here, and yes, the most trending and the new collection of heritage kundan collection we are showcasing. This is all brand new, which we have designed on our own, and we have some amazing kundan purse collection out here as well,
Okay. Beautiful.
and some kundan necklaces, the large ones, huge ones as well.
Look at that. Lovely. Beautiful. Along with that, they have some beautiful options of ear cuffs as well. Look at that. अगर आपको कुछ colorful चाहिए, then this is the right option for you. Look at that. These are all rings. Wow. So these are all statement.
rings.
Yes, statement rings. Beautiful.